Remember frosted tips? They were everywhere, and then nowhere. Sometimes fashion trends just die out. Funnily enough, your legacy CRM can do the same thing. This is why companies modernize their legacy CRMs so they can ensure data accessibility, keep up with security standards, and deliver a better user experience. All you have to do to modernize your legacy CRM is to build powerful APIs that will extend its functionality. And with the right tool, this process is as easy as a few clicks. Let's see how this works in Astera. Start by building CRUD APIs for the accounts table in your legacy CRM. These APIs allow you to easily manage customer accounts by performing create, read, update, and delete operations. Next, deploy these APIs as a group to create an API product named Accounts. Right-click on the Accounts folder in the Project Explorer and choose Deploy Selected Folder. Next, name the deployment and click OK. Once done, the deployed Accounts API collection will appear in the server browser. APIs can be deployed either under a single folder or individually, and you can differentiate between those processed synchronously and asynchronously. Next, create the Sales Analytics API, which lets you retrieve various metrics related to your sales pipeline. For example, the deals aggregate endpoint provides the number of opportunities and the average value for each deal stage: won, in progress, and lost. After this, you can design an API flow that aggregates the deal's data. Once you have deployed the API flow, you can test it in an API client application like Postman. As you can see, the API flow test has been successful. Now, design a functional API called the Deals Notification API. This API lets you identify deals in progress without an assigned sales agent, writes these opportunities to an Excel file, and emails the file to the opportunity manager. Use the filter object in the API flow to filter opportunities with the deal stage, progress, and no sales agent assigned. Upon an API request to the Deals Notification API, an email is sent to the opportunity manager with the filtered opportunities attached. Finally, create the Enriched Accounts Info API. This API takes an account ID, fetches the company name from the CRM database, and uses it to request additional company information from a third-party API, returning enriched account information in the response. Design an API that uses the account information from the Get Account by ID API to fetch publicly available company information from a third-party API, such as the link you see on the screen. Send a request to the deployed Enriched Accounts API using an API client application to get the enriched account information in the response. And just like that, you have modernized your legacy CRM. If you want to learn more about the topic, click on the link below.